I just got off the phone with my partner, and we had a dirt road going into the farm about a couple miles long. The driveway is a few miles long, and we're having a bulldozer come in and haul in a bunch of gravel and stuff and build a nice road into the sawmill. And uh, we'll start uh, in May. We'll start the building of the sawmill workshop and living quarters. And uh, it should be done in May. And so we've got all this already going on now, but still looking for partners. We need investors, and we'll be hiring a helper or two to get things started, and uh, uh, and we'll have the sawmill in place and everything, and we'll start cranking out the wood. So God bless and take care. This is a Sawmill update. Thank you.